Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve question 10 in exercise 5.3. We are going to look at the second subdivision in this question. Show that A1, A2, AN form an AP where AN is defined as AN is equal to 9 minus 5N. Also, find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. So, let's write down the expression for AN that they have given. So, AN is equal to 9 minus 5N. So, let's start generating the different terms for this. So, A1 can be written as 9 minus 5 into 1. So, this is 9 minus 5, 4. So the first term is 4. Let's generate A2. This is 9 minus 5 into 2. So this is 9 minus 10. So we get A2 as minus 1. So A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. So 9 minus 15, we get A3 as 6. Let us generate the common difference between the terms A1, A2, A3 and see if we are going to hold. So D is going to be A2 minus A1. So it is minus 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 5. Let's see if this is the difference between A3 and A2. So A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 1. So this is minus 6 plus 1, still minus 5. So we see that the common difference matches between these terms. So therefore this particular expression is an AP. Now the second part of that question was to find the sum of 15 terms. So they are asking us what is the value of S15. Now let us write the formula for Sn and then we can pick that and substitute it. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So here n is 15 because they asked us sum for 15 terms. 15 by 2 into 2a. So 2 into the a value is 4. So that is 8 plus n minus 1 is 15 minus 1, which is 14. We just found the common difference to be minus 5. So we are putting that also here. So 15 by 2, this is 8. 14 into 5 is 70. This is going to be minus 70. So this is going to be 15 by 2 into minus 62. So I'm going to cancel this. So this is minus 31. Minus 31 into 15 is minus 465. So the value of sum of 15 terms is minus 465. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 11th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.